Assalamualaikum. Hello, young students. How are you today? I hope all of you fine and always be fine. Okay, for science topic today, we will learn about what does a circuit need to work. Check it out. In this topic, there are any keywords. The first is bulb, disconnect, circuit, open circuit, switch, gap, connect, negative end, and positive end. What is a circuit? Electricity needs a complete path to move. This path is a circuit. A circuit must have a source of electricity, such as battery. When we connect a bulb to a battery, electricity moves through the wires and light up the bulb. Any complete path along with electrons can flow is called a circuit. So, circuits are made of components. A simple circuit consists of a cell or battery, wires, and a bulb. Like this sample: battery, wires, and bulb. And this is a switch. Wires are made of metals, which always have loose electrons moving around. A battery provides the electron with energy, so they move in an organized way. The battery pushes electrons through the circuit wires from the negative to the positive end. We use a light bulb to test if a circuit works. Let's think. Okay, in this picture, there are two groups. The first is in left side girls group and in right side boys group. Which of the two bulbs will light up? Okay, the girls are connecting one end of the battery to one end of the bulb holder with the red wire. They, they haven't used the black wire. And then the boys have connected one end of the battery to one end of the bulb holder with the black wire and will connect the other end of the battery to the other end of the bulb holder with the red wire. So, in this question, which of the two bulbs will light up? The bulbs will light up is boys' bulb. Okay, do you understand? I hope you all understand it might explain. Okay, next. Okay. I have three pictures and three questions. What happens to the bulb in a circuit that works? Battery have symbol on them. Plus show the positive end and negative show the negative end. Why? Why do we need wires? Yeah. And the answer is in a circuit that works, the bulb light up. And second, the symbols help us put the batteries in the right way inside the device because they show which end is positive and which is negative. And the third, electricity can move through wire. So we need wire to move through electricity to the device. Okay. The conclusion in this topic is to make a circuit, connect a bulb to a battery with wires. A battery makes electricity move around the circuit through wires. The bulb will light up in a circuit that works. Okay, let's think. Look at this picture. Okay, in this picture, I have a simple circuit. There's bulb, wires, and batteries. Okay, how can we turn off the light? We can disconnect a wire. We can take out the bulb, and we can use a switch. Do you think all the ideas will work? Are all the ideas safe? Is it easy to disconnect a wire every time you want to turn off the light? The answer is no. Is it safe to disconnect a wire in a circuit that is working? The answer is no. Is it safe to take out the bulb in a circuit that is working? The answer is no. So, the answer for this question, do you think all the ideas will work? Yes, all the ideas will work because all of them will make a gap in the circuit. Second, are all the ideas safe? And the answer is no. Taking out the bulb and disconnecting a wire are not safe to turn off the light. In this picture, there are different kinds of switch. How do they work? Okay. In A picture, a light switch. B picture is a laptop switch. C, a slide switch in torch. And D, knife switch. How do they work? In picture A switch works when you press it to the on or off position. B switch works when you push it. C switch works when you slide it. And the D switch works when you flick it up and down. So the conclusion is a useful part of a circuit is a switch. A switch can make a gap in the circuit. A circuit with gaps is an open circuit. An open switch makes a gap in a circuit and it doesn't work. A closed switch closes the gap in a circuit and it works. A simple circuit can be more useful if it has a switch. Switches are used to control the flow of electricity in a circuit. They allow you to open and close the circuit safely. If the switch is open, the circuit has a gap and doesn't work, and it is called an open circuit. If the switch is closed, the circuit has no gaps and works. Integrasi dengan nilai keislamannya dari materi sains ini adalah Allah pemberi cahaya kepada langit dan bumi. Perumpamaan cahaya Allah adalah seperti sebuah lubang yang tak tembus, yang di dalamnya ada pelita besar. Pelita itu di dalam kaca, dan kaca itu seakan-akan bintang yang bercahaya seperti mutiara, yang dinyalakan dengan minyak dari pohon yang berkahnya, yaitu pohon zaitun yang tumbuh tidak di sebelah timur sesuatu dan tidak pula di sebelah baratnya, yang minyaknya saja hampir-hampir menerangi walaupun tidak disentuh api. Cahaya di atas cahaya berlapis-lapis. Allah membimbing kepada cahayanya siapa yang Dia kehendaki, dan Allah memperbuat perumpamaan-perumpamaan bagi manusia. Dan Allah Maha mengetahui segala sesuatu. Quran Surah An-Nur ayat 35. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Doa kafaratul majlis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.